Thank you, my brother. Thank you for taking this time. I think almost the world over people are concerned about this, and it just recently happened in Mabvuku. We are in pain as Mabvuku constituents. Even the world over, the whole country, the triple of the CCC family, we are mourning. We've been fallen by the dark cloud over us. So this is not an easy task, and way more to it that someone died trying to pursue, even to convince the resident to go to a by-election which was caused illegally, and I am much disturbed because the name he was campaigning for me, because in this regard there was no the president issue, there was no another candidate. So this by-election, I know I'm the only one recorded in Harare. They call me Harare one, but I'm quite disturbed. So I'm still want also to believe, is it worth the cost so that someone will die over just a by-election, so that someone will force his way into parliament? So I still want to engage the party. Is it worth going even for that by-election? Because we can't then preside over dead bodies. So we are not happy. So currently we are coming from in the morning, we rushed to Parlenya to a hospital, where we went with the wife of the deceased, where she did positively identified her husband, and she confirmed that that's the body. So we then proceed to homicide, where we also been warned and caution statement have been recorded, and also the other dockets which have been opened in Mabvuku police have been successfully transferred to arrest Central. So the law enforcement agents, they are doing their duty. After that, we then proceeded to Rodsville to positively identify there are some clothes which he was wearing the day he was abducted, because he was putting on a CCC overall, a t-shirt which had my face on it. It was branded on my face. It was a campaign t-shirt during the last election. So, and his track bottom and his underwear, they were stashed in a trunk. But we still need to investigate, because the trunk, you know, those trunk used by students, school children, the trunk, you have got a police force number on it. So we still need to link how did these guys, these murderers, got to stash the clothes of the deceased in that trunk. So we need to, I think the serious investigation which need to get to go, and the police will always advise us. So as we were driving towards here, we are informed that the post-mortem will be done tomorrow first thing in the morning. Thank you.
What about the other person who was abducted with the now deceased? Where is he now, and what's the latest with him?
No, we were with him. I think we are somewhere, but today we picked him up. We were with him, so because also the police wanted to record this wanted caution statement, and also to consolidate the docket as an abduction matter. It's now a murder docket. So previously it was a docket for abduction. So now that there's a murder case, so I think the law enforcement agents will just advise us in due course.
They confirm any arrests since the people that abducted were not?
No, they are still doing investigation according to their reports.
And then what did the caution statement say?
I didn't have a chance to go through it. I think the guys were just in a closed the door room. So I think we still need to verify with the family members. Right now, I think they've gone to their place of residence. They reside at 59 Shashe Crescent in Mabvuku, New Mabvuku. Thank you so much.